As a society, we've spent years cleaning based on things like appearance and price. But COVID-19 presented a pressing need to refocus on cleaning for the health and safety of facilities and their occupants.
Facility Plus by MAXIM was created to be a time-saving, cost-efficient solution to keeping everything clean in your facility. Made for use in most hard, non-porous surfaces, this gentle hydrogen peroxide-based disinfectant is EPA approved to kill COVID-19 and the flu in just 60 seconds. And other common viruses weren't allowed to dwell as directed on the label. So you can replace all the cleaners with this one-step product. Facility Plus is the ultimate solution for enhancing operational profits and simplifying training.
Cleaning with safety and good health in mind starts with Facility Plus.